But in the meantime.
Oh yeah, you could. All right, so we took the old hood off here, and it had some wiring problems. Looked like there was a short in the wiring. I just took all the wire out. The wire was here, but it was like loosely connected to some other wire. So we're gonna see if we can test this wire. If it works, if it's good, we can still use it and just rewire it direct. This is the new hood. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning real quick and then put it up. All right, so what we did is I tested this wire out. It works just fine. However, we installed a clamp here, which wasn't in the old one. There was no clamp, and wire ties. They didn't do that correctly, as you can see over here. No wire ties. All right, so we got this installed. Works good. Turn on, fan. Low's nice. Low, high. Okay. So since there was no power up here at all, we just ran a wire here, boom, came down to there. Pretty simple solution. It works fine. So it's good and secure. We're done with that one. Okay, so we're running the water on the new garbage disposal, and as you can see, we're running real good. No leaks anywhere. Looks real good. Sounds good. This is operated by a switch here. We rewired it, and looks, not too bad. See, turn it on again. Looks good. No arc sparks, no problems. Alright, so you are good.
Awesome.
On that now, you got a sink that drains well and everything.
Thank you.
Alright, so we got the new one installed. We're gonna give it a little test. All the new hookups are in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. I just want to see it run, just get started running and no leaks or anything, and I can get out of
Before I
here.
even put a pot in here, once the pot, let's just make sure it's able to run. What is it now? It's this cabinet.
Yeah, you got to leave that out. Unfortunately, due to the measurement problem there. All right, and I guess what do? It gives you cycles.
Temp high.
The power is on. Okay, and do a half wash, quick one. That way we can just see it quick.
Oh, okay.
And okay, and then press start. I think it's that simple.
Oh, okay.
Go for it. Okay, I'm hearing something.
Yeah, a little something there.
I'm just here to observe no leaking. Everything's flowing nice.
Hey, look, you're learning too.
Well, I do got to turn the water on.
Oh, that would help.
That would help. There it goes. Now I hear it. I was like, wait a minute, I'm not hearing water. Now I hear it. I did forget to turn the water back on. Now we're good. Now we're good. Okay, so that crazy valve up there is holding though, no leaks or nothing. So that's awesome.
Oh, the hell of a noise. Oh, that's good.
I know it is.
Ow!
I'm gonna be fine, bro.
Ow, ow, ow.
You okay?
I'm just checking. I just want to make sure that when my pipe down there, when I put it on, is good. It is holding good. No leaks. Good, good, good.
For 10 seconds.
There it rolls.
All right.
It's doing its thing. We hear it.
All right.
And that means...
So, you know what that means? No, we're moving.
Oh.
Okay, well, it's clearly working. We hear it rolling. I hear the water.